Hello and welcome grade 8, grade 3. Today we will complete um, Excel program. We already know how to select cell and how to select row and how to select column. How to select cell, just put your mouse over the cell and press left button. Just it. Then if you want to select row, just uh, click on the number of row. If you want to select column, just press on letter of the column. Today we will know how to select range of cells. Range of cells. Range means مجموعة خلايا، مجموعة cells. Group of cells. مجموعة. Group of cells mean range of cells. Range of cells. Okay. We already know how, what is the name of cell? The name is P3. This one A2. This one C3. This one A6. This one E1. This called cell reference. Cell reference. What is the cell reference here? C4. What is the cell reference here? A7. What is the cell reference here? F1. Okay. What is the data type in Excel? What is the data type? Data type is called, we can enter 3 types of data into Excel. Text, number, formula. And we think it in school like that. Data type in Excel, text, number, formula. Data type in Excel, text, number, formula. Data type in Excel, text, number, formula. Text, you can type text in the cell. Number, we can put numbers in the cell. Formula mean we can make formula equal the first cell multiply the second cell. It's called formula. So I asked you how to make range of cell. Range of cell start with cell and end with another cell. How to write this one? Start from here and end from here. So how to write the range of cell? This is called range of cell. Start with D4. If you want to write this range of cell, you have to write D4. D4 column, D4 column. Last one is F7. 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 This is called range of cell. Range of cell. Again. I want the range of cell of these cells. Start with G1. End with H3. But if you want to write this one, you have to write first cell is G1, 2, H3, 2H3. Perfect. This is called range of cell, range of cell, range of cell. Okay. Now today we will take how to make copy and paste. Copy and paste. Your name, if you write your name here, how to make it copy and paste. You have to select your name, select it first. After you select, just press copy. Copy. Or Control C from the keyboard. Control C. Just press copy. Then you have to press any cell you want to paste and press paste. Paste. Where is paste? Paste here. Big one is paste. Big one is paste. Okay, I will press on the paste. You will see my name here. Again, I can put my name here again. Paste. Just select the cell and press paste. Select your cell, paste. Select your cell, paste. Select your cell, paste. This means copy and paste. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Again, if you want to make copy for high, just press on the high, then copy. Copy. Press on the high, copy. Then press any cell you want to paste high. Just this one, okay, paste. Paste. This one, paste. 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 Okay. This copy and paste. Last thing I already take in school this week, how to make fill handle. Fill handle. Fill handle means if you make any number like this one and make any number. So if you want total of these numbers, so you have to write the formula like this. Equal, then press on the first cell A1 plus second one and press enter. Press enter. Okay, you have the formula here. You can see it in formula bar. You can see your formula here. You have to make your formula here again and again and again. So it's very hard to me to make all the formula. So you have to make fill handle. Fill handle will take care of this job. How? Just press on the small rectangle here. Small rectangle like this. Okay. Small rectangle. Just click and drag. Drag me اسحب لتحت. Drag. 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 Finish? Yes. He makes the formula without any work from you. Just he write the formula A equal A9 plus B9 without any work from you. Just fill handle. Fill handle. Just fill handle. Okay. Fill handle can make another job. Can make copy and paste. How? If I write my name and I want my name here, here, here again, so you have to put your mouse on the small rectangle, right? And make fill handle. Fill handle. You make a copy from my name. Perfect. So, anything else about fill handle? Yes. You can make your days of the week. How? I will write Sunday, Sunday, and make fill handle. Fill handle. Just press on the small rectangle, then drag, drag. You will see until you finish 7 days. Friday, Saturday, yes, finish. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, perfect. Something else? Yes, we can make the month of the year. How? I will write August. August. And we will write all the year. All the year. Yes. Perfect. How to make the odd and even numbers. How to make odd and even numbers. Just press 1 and 2. You will complete the numbers. 1 and 3. You will complete numbers. Just select 2 cells and press on the small rectangle here, small rectangle, and drag. your mouse until you finish. I will write 2, sorry, 0, 2. Yes, and select both of cell. You have to select both of cell and fill handle. Drag your mouse, you will see odd and even number, months of the year, Sunday, Monday, days of the week. You can use fill handle to copy and paste. You can use fill handle to complete your formula. How to format cells? It's very easy. I think you take already in grade 2 how to format cell. Just select the cell and you can use from fonts any format you want, like fonts, font size, font face. This one is called font face. Font face, font size. You can make it bigger, you can make it small, you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can put the background, you can change the color of the font, anything you want. Okay. This is for today. See you next week. Bye.